Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine. Today, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dormitory, or just need a compact solution for your laundry, we've got you covered. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine operates fully automatically, allowing you to set it and forget it, while the Grinchat Portable Washing Machine requires some manual intervention, making it less convenient for some users. If you prefer a hands-off approach, the Comfee might be the better choice for you. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee offers a larger washing capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the Grinchat is designed for smaller items with its 16L capacity, ideal for washing baby clothes and underwear. If you have larger laundry needs, the Comfee may be the better option. Price is another significant factor. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. On the other hand, the Grinchat is much more affordable at $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washer without breaking the bank. In conclusion, choosing between the Comfee and Grinchat depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a full automatic machine with more features, the Comfee is the way to go. However, if you need a compact and affordable solution for washing small items, the Grinchat is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.